Hello, today we'll be working on removing a servo from an Everest Gen 7 in Pro. It's the same for the Pro or the Sport. So the reason we've got to remove this one is because there's a little chip in there that transmits it from this, from the wire to actual commands, and so it burnt up and left a little place there. So today I've got to remove it, and so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is there are four screws in here that need to be removed. I already removed some of them so that the video wouldn't be too long. And so I'm using an Allen key, which is, let me check my thing here, which is 5/64. I'm just using a regular one, so just go ahead and remove all four of them. Okay, now that we've gotten these four screws off and it's loose like this, so it should be able to move around, but it's still connected to the steering. So go ahead and unscrew the steering horn. Okay, so I actually got the screw out, but it turns out the screw was slightly stripped and not the Allen key, and so it wouldn't take it out. And so hopefully you don't have that problem. I'm going to put it off to the side because I don't want to put it back in. Now the next thing you're going to do is the screw should be out, so it should just go ahead and pop right off. And so now you've got it nice and loose. And so go ahead and just set it back down or onto where it's supposed to go. And you'll want to unplug it from up here, which it's the one that's yellow, red, and brown. And I'll see if I can get it out by hand. Here, I can't. There you go. Got it. Put back that. And then looks like I'm gonna have to clip a zip tie. Oh, there's two zip ties holding it in. So I'm gonna go get scissors. Okay, so it turns out all I could find was some little scissors, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. And there should be a zip tie over here. So there's a zip tie over here, by this vent thingy, and it should be on, the second to bottom rung. And you're just going to go ahead and clip that. If these scissors are not great for clipping, go ahead and take it out. And then the second one may be slightly more difficult because it's on the frame. You're going to go ahead and do that one too, if I can. See, it's a bit more difficult because they didn't have a nice little space that you could slip your scissor into. So I got it. And now you're just going to unwire it. And there's a nice little hole back here which just lets you get through. It's right about the right size. It'll come out, and now your servo's out. Now to put it back in, you just basically do the same process. Make sure you don't lose your screws. I like to put them in a little bag. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hello. Today we are with which, actually, my Allen key seems to be slightly stripped out, and so is not doing it. What am I going to do? Pause it. And, please like and subscribe.